Okay guys, here we go. This is your conventional Scalextric track, whatever. Push, you can kind of feel the grip on there. I put it on my PLA track. The grip feels about the same. I'm expecting once I build a track for these cars to grip this track pretty much the same. And then for my robust joiner system, which is still in development, okay, because these are the first two, you can see the copper tape. If you wanted to, you could solder those together. Those red pieces are TPU, so that's flexible filament, and then the white is PLA. Now I think I can thin these sections down, and maybe the slot also, save some plastic, make it a little cheaper. This is the 3M copper tape. I kind of did some research. That's what everybody uses. Now if I was to take this, and that's pretty robust, okay? 3D printing. There you go. It's pretty strong. Alright. Anyway, I may show you the end here. I made like a nipple and an indent so the copper can contact. You can kind of see what's going on there. I may increase this nipple size. I may put like nipples over here too to make them line up a little better. And by the way, I probably make all this STL stuff available on Thingiverse. So if you have a 3D printer, you could just print them out yourselves. That's where I'm at, okay? It takes time. I work 2 jobs, so time is limited, and I'm just doing my best. All right, thanks. Any input, I'd love to hear. Appreciate it from you guys. Thanks.